money.
Nkansah, really yummy. You don't know. We don't me ever. Then I can do more. Friends, I to say, what are you? Bella,
Daddy,
what want to say? Yeah, the career say, Sikani baby and Suko. Anybody who swan, let's ampass a comedy. Sikani be swan. Papa me peka, be pay way, and never win ya. I'm a cabbage to say. Prince. Befre wunu nua Bella. Afutuo ana me de mama. Especially enko mama ya me baba de hie. Bella. And then da. Me young makasa. O ma meti me nchen. Wunu apanyi ni Prince ete mo nchen. Abofra bowa o ma chichide. Panyi no benya bi da abofra de. Bella, obia yi bi da. Be wi ansa na medru sei. Wunu mo sei. Ade ademanima. Me hwe na musa obade de beche me. Empia bepe. Ku so me yen krofo akwai. Me ya doye. Me bu ahiafo. Omo woni bi. Ababi ni bomudin. Bedi ako cheda. Bedi ako cheda. Nyame hye aya de. Na so su babi. Yama asembidin. Wakasa. Bida katena. Wakasa. Usu baby. Wontale she. Ema fa sha se yimachitire. So panyini wo baba no. Na no mukasa. Ne ne ye bi no wa hwe ya. Obama wa hwe. Na misika nyina bageka. Besiro. Bala fina kro. Se su ban. Woni ya wom. Wo kasa. Mu se wo se me pampi. Makasa nya de. Manipa no. Manipa mfuasem. Shut up! Let him talk, get up! Who are you? Who are you? Come on, Kesa! Kesa, what did you do him? Kesa! We'll change! Who are Kesa? $1,000,000! Hey, you're crying! Hey, man, me practice Gadidi! Me a trauma, like I'm a coffee! Come on! Me da fu ne. Me nyam so badem sawda. Na fi na ko. Me no ne ba na ofia.
Start apologizing.
Unga ka please. E ba fia. Awu bra se kutano. Obi ati ma se money biela. Wona pa no campaign di mame. Se ba me ya MP na afai wo bia di ye. Who bet me? Shit.
The lion has spoken.
Ready fool. Just why has herself unity? Why has a better what's the food I? You blame me the social I'm done and didn't do done. When I mean to us, how am I the come done? Hey, shut up.
My dear.
Shut up.
My dear, it's okay. Are you still here?
Very fool.
My dear, it's okay. Please calm down.
I can't make money.
I know.
I
know.
All because MP. Please, Yahweh. We say, Skawachia, what am I going for? Ukamati say we dey so unia. Da ma we na baji ni nyina. Wo we ni dia na say, ashim na ma we dia. The what di bia. Wo bia ba fia ba. Oh, we there. No, we there me name. I'm out for 7. So then na manya true.
My dear husband, I am very happy with this occurrence. I've always been complaining about Bella to you. I am so happy you've, shown your real character to her.
Hey. Bonfakesi. Hey. Mati. Mene Mckenzie. Hey, Prince. Ho. Book down fabric. Why? My let's deal with father and fancy.
My dear, what should I get you for lunch?
Get you na pray.
My dog for. Me pa cherry abri.
We are can mama me akani. Ma wa fi dem wa ba fi. Wa ka ba for sai bo na wuti. Na ugusu oka. Na ngwe yesiro na wo ka.
We bro we dey mu da ho.
Ha jakai.
Me dog for.
Wo ma me akani. Wo si akani. Me wa pe ba fi a. Wa ka ba for service. Ebisu nye. Na wuti, na wubutu bi, na wudani bi.
Just let me be. Look, the way I can see you are hyperventilating.
Hyperventilating?
Hyperventilating.
What kind of brofu na you say? Fuka brofu afu bi ni demo.
Stop it.
Brofu anya 120 years.
Stop it.
Listen, I'm going for the jail. She can never.
No, it's not about money. I know, it's not about money. I know what is in your mind. It's not about money. I know what you are planning to do to me in the bedroom.
Peace all in this one.
Papa. Hello. Papa. Oh, me did you what you say in your face. Me pa choche. Mesro ma ho kwan na me nu ni nkomo ta me tata wo nyina nye bibia ntia wo me di wachi a me pe wo na no nye bibia ntia me hu bibi wo me mu na be ma so de wo si so a wo so onye oba a wo ne betena na na bobra mesro.
Are you deaf or you are dumb? Huh? How many times do you want me to tell you to stay away from me? How many times? I don't want to
you stay away from me.
Missy men pell me in Joe Wadding. I would demachia the dear baby drew her say, Me all day. What shall we also ban me? For. Hey, and mammy from any brain mouse. So what? And mammy from any brain mouse. I shouldn't who be. So what pay me?
Oh, papa, in pretty forecast and be say, or dock your door. Me medo. About on Miss Row. What do you mean? Timasibility, me. Ni entwem kana kakra na hwani pa me ye.
Are you still here?
Mama, menyesa. Misro. We ye raba menyesa.
Mr. Mempel aden.
And I'm so me pew. Aden.
Be me hu bi odi Paul ba. This should be the last time. This should be the last time you following me with this nonsense talk that you love me. Idiot.
Got you. Yeah.
Your father is justified in whatever he told you. I have always tagged you as a daddy's girl. You know your father will go to the ends of this world for you. So for your father to be this angry at you means you deserve it. It means you've gone over the top this time. There's no use sitting here crying. There's no use. You deserve everything your father said. And I'm not going to pamper you too. You deserve it. What have I not told you in this house? Or you thought your father would let things slide? No.
But Mom, he could have found another way to talk to me than scratch me in the face.
Which other way? Or you thought your father was going to treat you with cage gloves? No. I'll even advise him to hit harder next time. Yes. Sometimes you go overboard with certain things you do.
What did I do?
What did you do?
What?
You are not focused in life. You go out indiscriminately with your friends. You are just, frolicking in life without any aim. You're asking what you did? Are you asking what you did? How many times have I asked you when you were going to start your attachment? Did you even mind me? Or you thought we were going to sit down unconcerned? I am very happy your father went that route with you.
No, Mommy, I'm not happy about that.
Oh, really?
Yes, you have to talk to him.
Your happiness does not count with me this time. And I'm even going to push in more effort so that he's always going to, take affront with everything you do.
Why are you treating me like this? Why?
Because you refuse to do the right thing. I'll always let your father chastise you every time you be in the wrong. We will not be treating you with kids' gloves again. Nonsense. We are going to chastise you every time you go in the wrong. My dear, I would say. I can't say politics here. I did be a war, yeah. You're fair coming in room. Maybe I wish you say, Sa seat will be winning. I'm sitting and pin on the edge when I am at constituency. It's all baby and you, so I don't just say, depending on you also.
Just a bit of why people take stone on me. But somebody
they throw stone at you.
Oh,
sorry. Sorry.
And who? What's up? How about your twin?
Sorry.
What's that say? Who say?
As you say, and your cry sitting and pin one in Crawford, Tomana, A.B. on yes, but when you said, don't know who long do it.
And you're right, sir. What did you want? It's me.
And more than President Coco baby, you ruined more than
me power money. Let me this guy show man my youth and you my head. Me be best boom. Ni pampe.
As I was share Nipa a halo no more than Nipa Abia. I'm going to do. Money no ya.
But you mean I shut up. Which document? As me make a such document.
I'm not trying.
Let me talk. My problem to compare and back to the poor. What is an document? Do me answer. Woman, I'm telling you, I will father. Oh, Papa, I did this. What's the document? When is getting me like a mentee? Won't marry.
For one, I'll say, my garden, and my baby sounds
Fa. Opa, go with the MP. Fa. Get out.
Beautiful. I would say.
Many people from woman ambassador. Anna,
yeah. As I'm saying, I would say. Because you said definitely you win. So don't be so disheartened when
I'll go IGP down, Pale. I'll go IGP down to make sure I'll watch other people drop.
It's okay.
I'll never allow bosses. Idiot.
My dear, it's okay.
So should we?
Okay.
So whoever wins, paper. No. You did wrong first, so let's get paper. You did this first, so I won. So we'll watch football.
I'm sure I have nothing to say right now.
So you don't know any football at all? You know the players, don't you?
No.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
You only watched last night's game.
Oh, no. I like the
I'm sure.
English
Come on.
cricket, yes.
Okay. know what? Let me call you back, okay? Let me enjoy this.
To leave. I'll call you when I get home.
Wait, hold on. Let me just walk home. Wait, Angel. I'm sorry, okay? Hey, listen. I'm still trying to deal with her, okay? Yeah, she's annoying and all that, but I'm sorry, okay? And thank you for not displaying. It would have been something else. Please just forget about it, okay? I'll come and see you at home.
It's fine. I'll call you when I get home.
Sure. Do you have a problem with me? Because you're not making any sense to me. I found someone in my life. I can't always go to the person's place. Sometimes I invite the person here. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. You always seem to have a problem with my girlfriend. Whatever that problem is, I don't know. Is there something I owe you that I haven't given to you or something? Or is it because I'm living in your father's house? Is that what it is? If that is what it is, tell me.
Prince, you don't understand, but I know one day you will.
What don't I understand?
I want the best for you. I love you. And I want you to love me the same, brother. See, that girl is a no match for you.
You have no idea who she is. You can't tell me what you think about. What do you know about her? Absolutely nothing. And I don't know what problem you have with her too. So what am I supposed to understand?
That you have love in the house. Your family loves you. Is that not enough?
What?
See, you have to think about it. That girl... No. Just think about it. I care about you. That's why I'm concerned about this.
And I love you. And my heart is with you.
Hey.
Are.
Huh? Oh, what you can't come now? Can't rob.
My friend, get out.
Obapa, I will go. This is not where I stay. But what I want you to know is, no matter what, you are going to be my wife.
Yes,
but I am free her call. Then, hey, what do you even have to offer? What? Something is wrong with you. Just go. I don't like this. I don't like to be standing here and exchanging words with you. Just leave. You're not even my type. Sister. Look at you.
Sister.
What do you have to offer?
If I address you, what's your phone?
It's Obia. Be going.
Meet me now, who feel semi me. Please look here. Look here.
Ale one friend. Over one friend.
Me number. Share.
Uni number.
Me sere woni me da. E na me su me ni mu da. Na wi ase da kro pe ni di hu nipa. Me hu wa me site wo no. Me ba se bi na me ka so yi nipa fon. Ba me read them
me dem be phone. Na me phone kam. Na me phone kam wa.
E na me ka se onye phone. Me read na mu so yi nipa bi obe gangster hwe. Se wutimi boa me. Ana wutimi ni abaya ne kasa ma me. E mo be me dia ho be ma. Me hye wani mu nyamo ate.
Your brother.
Me need see Confion.
See Confion.
Yeah.
What fine?
Me te pan kono estate on.
I don't want to find out when
you see on the street to
ana kasa no.
Be see no. Fe da me kasa no when me mama me. Wan hye da antin ni man kasa. Ti me bedru fi no. Ma dwene ne ho aso no da yesa na mu se no. Oba we oba e nyankopon na yi na ma. Yeah.
Hwe so onya oboni bia e difficult pa opa hwehwe oba ofro.
Be ma won se wo ye be man bi wutimi hye oba bi na odo obi ana wo pe obi enyi yi.
Be won ti ase. Mini mema beba fiase a o twintwintwa wo mo. Minim de ono anga minim be ma Pacific ono anga sa wo hwehwe. Ti mesrew.
Onim be ma de a.
Pacific ono anga sa no wo hwehwe.
Enye Pacific specific.
Spec.
Bokum la. Bro de zintina wadwuma ni no.
Bokum la kan. O say.
Nti no de mesro meko but ene ne nkasama me wo ma mesa aba ha.
Wonu kasa anye.
Se wo asema wo kan nka ni na me kire wo so de asene na mba bi.
Ebi kwa ne fie. Ebi kwa na kwa nka me ba. Wo be den hu. Ah wo kasa me ye bi.
Ada wo kasi be ma go na magum but me street so into wo ba na wo kasa. Wo be yo get inside no.
Ene Jimmy. Ene
Jimmy
bi.
Itu de wo ma mesa me ma be mu yo. Gen de ma penalty wo be me dia.
Me na mba ma ne nwa.
Papa
me na mba ma ne nwa.
Ene ja mesero.
Me na mba ma ne nwa.
Nti papa pa ni.
Ase wo hu se mba no afi wo hu.
Erade papa fo abu. Kese emu e dia ma papa pa ni.
Me kese me na mba no. Me ma ne nwa wo ne ma ma na wo wa wo chena. Me
na me papa kuta padlock ye den. Ese papa e git man.
Me twen se ye se pani dwale wi ana ntu asa.
Nti me ma ne wo ma mesa ba.
Me se bitu punu mo bia nti me punu biem.
Mbati.
Me ni pani a me
msione ne nkasa.
Me chewa bonten pa.
Wa misro wati.
Ha? Oshi. Sa wo so oshi.
Oshi.
Me hu ana me tu so oshi.
Abema.
Me hwa kula me tu so wa hia ba wada.
Ba, si de pe de mi se no me di tim.
Wo ba wa wo hia ba wa.
Ai.
Bo wa no ha ge
Ne ka kasman why?
Mathematics wi ni.
Ne frozen.
O se,
Je frozen.
e me so ye free moral.
Sa.
Me against sa.
Ala moral wo. Ye moral wo. Aje moral wo. Be ma ene nkasama.
Yeah.
Why?
On call we me de.
I got you.
Me amba no.
Mate.
O me yetu.
Ya me ba no.
Me won tem.
Me ba.
Fan kwase.
Otifia. Ene ne nkasama me. Me se me ba no.
Oh, na me be pa ni kwa binya wo betima hwemba.
Okay, si twi kasa de. When you chi obi otumi o ba se ne nkasa ye. But ene ne nkasama me.
Okay. Wedding day me na metutu ntuma
trust. Me kasa bi a kire. There be in the future say you ready a kire me.
Aye.
Bella. Betrayal. Bella. When you back will pay, I would have a commerce. Bella, but to papa. What about Mossy? Seven, I'm afraid to the assassin. No one is when you are if it is the same. And for some banner, someone swimming well with me. Oh, what being at the perfect the same as why I never. The Bianco dancing. A jet pia when the mapa and the plans papa and the man madachi. The mapa number Bella said the piece of the one. What time from Bay Sabi if you are no one surely. The mutuality. Pese me share when you be my prince in the munyam. Na when me ba Sabi what am I commerce idikai. Me pese Obasa quote back in UK. He says, who better usa And then when you understand service, oh my God. Me pese obeja ni nyina to ho. Na obesa ko UK. Wachi bi. Na okoto odisuya no so. So we are. Eduma ope. Nye ope bia no. Just go to internet and search what you want and tell me. I'll make sure say I will spend a lot of money on you. Because we and Baba Bia, person will step in Kwadachi. Will become a vice president. I'm telling you. I want to be, say me Papa, and be your vice president. Oh my goodness. To be so me. They go you back. They go to the channel. They will be here. They will be here no catch them. Let me know what you want. I'm ready to spend on you. I said, we are about Prince dear. We are where? So Papenti, I'm a fan at the night there. What you mean, change? When you do mucho, I'm a bad no. Okay? Eh? Ade? I spent setting a bacon. Can you can put go on Hey Papa, wow, I'm so surprised. Wow, really, one guy really will. You don't be surprised. Opportunity one day. Bella, oh my Ghana. The part was sending this opportunity. So could United Kingdom. Kushiadi. That would touch you from my. You don't be surprised for me. And now what you gonna say?
Totally. See, there are equally good schools here and great job opportunities that I can work in here. But why do you want me to go to the States?
Bella, one thing for Sabi, one compared to. I can see your budget in UK Bushimi. In Ghana, you can never get that amount of that money. Do you know? President, go be a vice president. Or Babesia. Oh my God. That's why I say, go to school UK. Go to for sure. Nobody need you. Eh?
Okay, Dad, I've heard you. They will come at you.
Be happy. Be a good girl for your dad. Eh? When your mom say, what say? Who are you, Papa? I'm person me do see.
Okay.
Don't worry, okay? They hear beyond my dear mom. Open brain for chapter dropping. I can take you. Say people fear by UK. My father was Ghana Sadoko. Many cheddar. Kwambe Diako. Prince of Africa. Many. Ni mechi obiende ho. Market my west. Medepo. Bebe kumasi. Ade mana mo blessing. Ade mahwi asena na. Wo na wo bre. Mema kan police atomata. Wo tie ka se sebi. Mahwi asena na. Oh, God, me put my city. It's okay. Be happy, okay? I love you. You went in, get your face. You went in. Let's get for money. Hey. When you go opportunity, you can just say that event. Wow.
No, why were you not bold enough to tell your father you went home? Why are you not coming to run to me? Your father says you are going to the UK to further your education and his word is final.
Mom, why? Why am I living here? Why?
And are you serious in Ghana? Have you been able to even do your attachment? It is because of your unserious nature. That is why your father is taking you abroad.
Mommy, if that is the case, I will do my attachment and then proceed with... No, I am not going.
We've already reached an agreement. You are going to the UK to further your education and there's no buts about it. Yes. I'm in concurrence with your father. Yes, it is final.
Mommy, I am not going.
You will go.
I'm not going.
Hey! Don't be obstinate. Don't you be obstinate. Get us into your text, girl, that you are going to the UK.
Mommy, this is my life and I choose to live it the way I want to.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And since you are under our roof, we also choose the line your life takes. The path. We are choosing it for you. We are still responsible for your well-being. So what your father says is final. You are going to the UK. No buts. Why were you not brave enough to tell your dad? Why did you not tell your dad you were not going?
Telling you is the same as telling him, and I'm not going.
No, I did not make that decision. Why did you not tell your dad that? All right. If you think you are woman enough, tell your dad when he comes back. Don't come and worry me in this house. Nonsense.
All right. I'll tell him because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not.
Oh yeah, mama, but use your phone so that you save it on the browser. Then after, when I'm not home, you can still bring your phone. Bring them.
Just use this one on your own.
If I'm not home, don't tell me when to bed.
Oh, Mr. Media.
Hey, Bella. When I was there. Hey, when I was there, baby. When I know my milk to go fiance, what's it day? Nkansah bin. Emma walk on to said Cobra. What do I say? I'm saying, won't go.
My dear.
Huh? Bella, this is our last warning. Be very, very careful. Huh? Send me by one. I work as a good school, you can man. Go share them over that. Your age, 60, 70. I'm a grown. You think back to me? Bella!
Mr. Media, something got into that.
Why not say?
Me and I catch up.
Why not tell me? Please.
I just told you to reconsider.
Don't provoke me, please. Hey, what's it there? Come here. Say it again. No. Say it. The way you tell your mom. Say it to me. Come on, to me.
I said I would stay.
You are mad. What you say? Oh.
Say you go and stop what you're doing.
Now she put them up. Why I say, hey, young muscle. I can't go there, can't put me. Me one music I go.
My dear.
Next time.
I know when
I come to you again, become snake. No! And that pressure. Can I do?
Stop it!
When I from on the table team, when I dream, now boss one dream.
What can be? Baby, I'll age a dream. And I don't know who will come see a man can't tell who
will come in. Now, by me, prescribe my chogum $3 million for just campaign. Ever show.
Why be there? Yeah. What can be a year? And I want one and in your wow about
principal. Sorry, Jana.
Trying.
I didn't apologize and tell you stop listening.
You go. Are you still being obstinate? This was me trying to arbitrate for you. You see the state your father is in now, all because of you.
But how did you tell him?
Would you shut up? Me trying to arbitrate for you, is that my crime? Minyami will fear any fear.
Mommy, I'm not going there.
Go and tell that to your dad. Mr. Mediato! Go!
call you back, okay?
Hi. Yeah.
Spare me that. What are you doing here?
You know exactly what I'm here to do.
What are you doing here?
Okay. I came to see Aaron.
Let this be the last time you are stepping foot into this house.
Okay.
For your
Why?
last warning, I don't want to see you with my brother anywhere again.
Why?
Why? For no reason, I say. I don't like you. For him. So stay away. Do I make myself clear?
You made yourself clear.
Now get out. Leave.
So why have you refused to start your attachment as of now?
Mom, I'm just not ready. I'll do it.
It is not your fault. Your father has made a brat out of you. Yes. You are a spoiled brat. Yes. So tell me, give me a definite answer. When do you want to start your attachment?
Mom, it's just an attachment. I'll do it.
It is just an attachment. Don't you know it's part of the process? Huh? Or you think because your father is rich, you can, behave anyhow? Give me a definite date. Why not start?
Bella! What is your... Auntie Julie, sorry.
What is it?
Can you please talk to her for me? She's disrespecting my girlfriend. She's done it over and over again. What's your problem, huh? Bella, what is your problem? You did this the last time. I warned you, you're doing it again. Just stop this, please. Auntie, please talk to her for me, please.
Prince, please exercise patience, okay? I'll talk to her.
See, when you are there now, with Jeffrey, every time, be a one young Casana or Casa was hello. It will be up until I see the uncle Macasa. As when in my Casa, as on him Casa with Fiasa.
Who has called you here?
Bema, that's what a memoirs of life you differently.
Hey, why are you taking liberties with our family?
Liberty.
Why are you here?
No, it's a Chelsea. Oh, the enemy may be wow, Mr. Maker, Menka, Minimum at Hatchet. Say, imbalance be a while. I said, me voice.
Nah, who has called you here?
I called here. Me didn't know.
Why are you taking liberties in this house?
Liberty.
This is a family affair. Who has called you here?
No, be liberty. Say Chelsea. They didn't have a tea, and only thing I'm every day, every time you want to mark as I say, as if say, as one my problem. What is it now? Well, look, some to Nasi. Come tell it,
Who is this?
Elo.
You?
Me.
Will you get out of my sight? Why are you taking liberties in this house?
Mom, he's telling the truth.
Please shut up.
It's the truth. It's the truth.
Please shut up.
I'm going to be what the about so. I feel now, would you really shut up?
No, who called you in for your input? Just get out. This is a family affair.
No problem. So, suppose if you be any, and I'm saying, ye tree, you fiasi, at least. And they are me house up here, so no. Ye could be an hubby. So, bear my at least when you are back as I. Why, then away? Why, then away?
I don't know.
My husband is the cause of all this in this house. Your father is the cause of all this.
For what?
Are you still here?
I'm late, please.
No, we're just trying to protect him. You don't know this girl he's talking about. He's a thief. I know her through a friend. Yes.
You don't mean it.
I'm just trying to protect him.
No. Where from this unfounded allegation? And I don't think such a pretty girl will be a thief.
Mom, it's not written on her face. How would you know?
But even if it is so, there must be a way you can sit your brother down to talk about this issue. You have no right whatsoever to disrespect his girlfriend. Don't ever let me see or hear you do such a thing again. Come on, get up and go and make peace.
Right now?
This very minute. Go and apologize. Get up!
Peace all in his one.
Prince na makasa. Awadia ni ababela edeyem. Madu wa mentiasi. Just emma bia. And he said and you know did the movie is sunset when you are down footy and I 1 minute. I was say yeah said and young marriage. And on chess said me chada betie. Better and I'm a yere as a town and a place a town. Deputa Sabella Nampo was a man. Make out your present a young mechada. But yeah, minimum who can idiot. You to papa. Who be a town that now there about Kwame Bay. Why young man you said say Prince when you basa. So she out. One fan quanchim. One fan support. Anya ne mensa fata. Wọ́n be fia be chile sebi. Neja ene ne na. E chire bua Prince edibu me. Ti ma fa se media no. Ti me srew. Ne bele ye bia no. Tugu fa se hu. Na ye na wote enche no. Ana oba enche no. Hu se ye de ye kutam. What am I bia how? Okay?
That's pass or na kasama me. Because last time no ba no James on my happy. I said last time no ba no only last time obeba because of their better see now putting a casa and everything.
Oh, Debbie. Angie, I'm an Englisa. Okay? I'm an Nkansah. Baku funti. Who ba free pado.
Daddy, one thing. Oba attitude or the no. Sometimes you get uncomfortable. Me feel say when you hear my presence cry. Until I thought say it's why I say anytime we want to meet up, no, you be share what I want to because me pet discomfort be
Debbie. Angie. Hey. Who's you nipa no kasa? Ana nipa ni ye bia. Wa hra depa. Ti de bele yinti. Wonya se bi penjini, abetire yi. Openye Debbie akọ. Wo ba kwere me. Dey na bela de ma. Woni sika, won si fie. Won't you scared? What's wrong, mammy? Maybe say, well, good person, pa. No way, and young and children home. A bit on the banafano. That's what we need, papa. The time will come. I hope somebody friends. Welcome on to you. What? Nothing. Say no better. I'm with that damn way. Then I'm
Passion to me, baby.
Maybe.
What would you like to have?
Any food, I'm okay.
Peace all.
I said, room.
No, he said your favorite, so.
Oh, nice.
I I should go to assist.
No, you know where.
Catch you, yeah.
Friend, where?
Catch you.
Yeah, channel, why?
The catch you.
If you have a book, what?
Catch you.
Yeah, Vera. Untina mani abri o. Wati? Me say me tawachi wo fi ase. Me say me wa obi enu obetimi akasa kasa onim rough. Me wa hey. Na eba no if you have property enya wo dia. Na ha kam say no hwan. Ah wo ne Vera kasa na wo kasa jiji.
Wait.
Me tawachi wati?
What do you mean? What do you mean this whole property is mine?
What? So
see, I know you like me and then you support whatever I do. But then I don't have any problem against him. Just that I don't like seeing him with that girl. Yes, that's my only problem.
I don't know how.
Yeah.
I don't know how. Yeah. Me the opposite can be I fear be ka. What's the mission? Oh, no, thinking, sir. Oh, no, think about it. But on also no issue. It seems on no issue. Now how come say every day, every time? Ono can say be an insult. Oh, shout for why reason? Me will fear say I'm quiet.
I don't believe that. No.
You don't believe? Me there, sin I'm home. What?
Okay.
I'm leading you in this house because you are a kid. What?
Wow. What was it that you came to say up there?
What? You came what?
Who better some enemy anti-air cars? Now can't send you. What were you saying?
Now we can't.
Wow. Have you forgotten your position in this house? Have you?
So
wait. So this is what you're up to, right? You're comfortable with the fact that he's talking to me like that.
Oh.
What have I done to you,
He
Bella?
didn't say anything.
What have I done to you, Bella? Mora, make us a match. And you first and last, how do you want to bet too massive? You can't what I say. Don't.
See the analysis. Because I'm going to say, you know, I'm going to say, we must have that. Come on, I don't want to know. Can you say, yeah, me too, being answer and ask it.
Nkansah no children. I'm going to what I say.
Chris, listen.
Listen to what? Listen to
I'm
what?
just trying to protect you. That's all. I don't like that girl.
Hey. What do you mean you don't like her?
I don't like her.
And so what? Deal with it, okay? Figure something out. Whether I like it, I don't care.
See, when you now want to say, me girl no oye Confo, minim no.
So, please. So what? Why you Confo? Why you today?
That's all.
Many way jina say, eno kasa. Me be fi anye ne o. Me de mani hu ade. Me de maso eti asem. Me ne wo kasa ase. Me tuofo. Na enipa ne be jina hwe ti o si jojo wi ni ade bi onu be hie bi ya jojo. Me tretre ma wo ti mi akora wo hu a. Wo jina nim na wo kaka in front of me. Etete me boa.
So onye hwe.
Eti asema bani a. Na nka say ne ti wo kan.
He's not a problem. Girl no na your problem, Mrs. Ya. I mean,
me hwe ma no ka hye ye wo ho pa wati. Na man hwe ya court na be jimi ama pa. Why? Me no kasa me tun bo ase. Me hu a me sinu akasa. Cause man hwe me hu ya man hwe me nya asem. Nti na me nya bre. Ba say wo mo ama me support wa. Please. I'm leave. I'm going.
Prince! Oh, you are happy, right? You are happy, isn't it?
What? Happy with what?
I know Dad was directly talking to me, and you are the reason why.
Hey, stop shouting.
Yes!
Stop talking to me like that. So what? He was advising us. He wasn't talking to just you. So if the cat fits, wear it and stop saying whatever you're saying. Why should you come here and start shouting, talking to me like I'm your little brother or something? Then
you are painting me black?
Painting who black?
You want everybody to see that I am the bad person, right?
And who is painting you black? Look, it's your attitude, okay? And it's definitely going to show after time. And that's what I showed now, and that is advising you. So better listen to the advice and stop shouting, moving.
That's what you showed. Comfortably seated there and happy that Daddy is shading me.
My friend, go and find something better to do.
See, let me tell. No. Listen to me. Let me tell you. You can never
and ever take what is rightfully mine. Do you know that? And if you don't, I am telling you today, you can't!
I'm not fighting.
Always trying to be the good one. Always trying to...
Hey! You two, hey! What's your problem? Huh? Mora, why?
No, didn't happen. Every day shouting. And
who called you here?
Huh?
Who called you here? I mean, who called you here?
Now, when I got to see him, you know, huh? Yeah, 5 you what? What am I doing?
Nkansah, no, you did.
What?
Nkansah,
Face me, not him. Face me. Talk to me. I am talking to you. Face me.
Hey, mommy, who feels on to me? Who feels like my man said,
No, wait. Who do you think you are?
Who to
why are you talking to us like that?
You know, because who think, huh? Go
back to what you are doing. Whatever is going on, you never say more. Some proper. I didn't know.
Say your friend of buy a layer. Case out to another Jimmy did. When you say buta,
see,
are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Look,
Mora,
hey,
be careful.
Do you hear? Be careful. Don't let me go and call my auntie. And do you hear what I'm telling you? You are warned. Know your position in this house. That can also tell.
Your friend, your friends are.
I don't know her advice, so talk to her. Don't come and talk to me like.
Hey, get inside. Hey, get inside. Go inside. When you hear good to say, Ashia.
I'll report you to mommy.
You report you to who? Oh, what a man. Huh? And I'm more here, they are him, who say, you are. Ah, and run, your friend, me, and I will bapenino, or I, while coming boba. Me ba come in boba, me pesa me go in DZ, me yes, I go this. What? We don't mean to be able to come on my mina. If you see, I'm not too feel good, I'm hot on it.
Why do you keep on disrespecting Prince's girlfriend? What at all had that poor girl done to you? Huh?
Mom, you don't understand.
Make me understand.
See, that girl is a thief. She's a thief, mommy.
Bella. Don't you think this line is getting old? You are here claiming the girl is a thief. But can you tell me a single instance he has stolen this house? No.
Mommy, this girl is a thief, and she won't change. See, you should be talking and advising Prince to stay away from her. You should.
And you think you are doing well by disrespecting her every time? Why don't you then sit your brother down and tell him whatever you think is wrong with the girl? Huh? Put yourself in her shoes. If you enter a man's house and his sister claims something you are not, would you be comfortable with that?
Mom, I'm sure about this one.
This is a very heavy accusation. Calling somebody with a thief without any evidence is tantamount to legal redress. Huh?
You don't understand me. You people don't understand me in any way. God.
Chill, girl. Chill. Let your brother fight his own battles. And fight yours. You are here trying to protect somebody's relationship. Where is yours? Do you have a man you can call your own?
You will know about mine when the time is right. But for now, I am fighting for my brother. Yes.
Nobody has sent you into battle on this. Nobody has sent you to fight your brother's battle for him. Please, let this be the last time I will hear or see you disrespecting that girl again. Your brother's remonstrances is getting too much. It's getting out of hand. Please.
That girl shouldn't come to this house again.
And what do you mean by that? Do you own this house? Do you own this house? Come on, get into the kitchen and find out something to eat. Nonsense.
Today is her last time.
Peace all in his one.
Hey, what?
Stop.
Are you mad at me? I said sorry. I said I'm sorry. You know I can't control how she behaves. Then again, what she did, I didn't expect it. I'm sorry. But what else can I do? Huh?
How many times are you going to keep saying sorry? How many times? Because it keeps happening. It's not once, not twice. And I'm not sure it's stopping anytime soon.
It's not going to happen again. Hey, listen. I'll make sure it's not going to happen again. I just need time, okay? Sometimes I face stuff like that with myself, okay? So then, listen. After a while, we'll be out of the place. We'll have our own place. There'll be peace. We're not going to have to deal with them anymore.
Then tell me to stop coming to your place. Because that's the best thing to do right now. I can't stand her disrespecting me all the time. I can't. It's getting too much. I can't take it. I'm keeping quiet because of you. And I can't do... No, I can't. That's too much.
I can barely see you when I come to your place. It's my place that's comfortable for us now. I'll talk to her. I'll get her to act right from now on, okay? Please. It's been, 12 hours? I called you, you didn't pick up. I had to come and check on you. And then if you don't hear from me after 24 hours, are you going to be concerned? What are you going to do? You don't just let me go just like that, will you? Are you smiling?
I'm not smiling.
Are you smiling?
I'm not smiling.
Hey. Listen, I'll talk to her. Forget about her, I'll deal with her, okay? Huh? Okay? So what are you going to do?
It's going to get water.
To do what?
To wash down.
Okay, I thought you were going to wash because I know you don't wash.
No, to wash down.
So who's going to wash for you then?
Wash myself.
You've packed all the stuff there, are you sure? Let's go.
Pisola is one.
Bella. Therefore, dear Fancy Check. Therefore, dear Fancy Check. Mama, come on, Mia. Mama, baby, I mean, and do. I'll drop up, baby, I mean, dear, Yammy Day.
I'm very funny.
I'm very funny. The same to you. And the maniaji nepa. And maniaji because of self also. And there also be any G1G. Yes, the wabo home pie are her. And Milatintino. And then Yanko point your own pie ball. Me will fear say me was observe dear. You see, we fear safety every day, every time. Me observe it a day.
Okay.
Observing. Me encourage my mind will fear see a fat wo. Actually say uhia bema. Yes. Menka re uhia bema. Nya se bema bi bo ma ho to we will fear see. Anontino unya nintino. Aye on tase. E de how na mani bi abehye mu a ti se hu se obi go sa relationship ni bi ana eya esi why say mami benefo no manyi nyamo de poso no omunya me ma no mo na ntino omu sa baba obi ni oba bi me bi akwakoda na ya no ato na kata ebi na eya wi esi den na wonua be ma de oba ba fi hasia na o balance no ade wo pe wonua na Debbie unya no timi panema na yi nti jahu nua no na won fa oba ope no mfa ne fiase no ne ntina na wo nyini esan se emema ho ye odin nti no oyema na mehu be ma type a wo pe nti no se ebi ba fiase ta type no wonpe nti woko wi ni bi no dai bi no bola sa menua hu ni huna ne hu zo se bola sa ne ofiri bola sa na bushin wi ni no no se wonpe oba pa bi o ha wo to atwa
Unti na mi prawe.
Aha. Oba pa bi I love you.
I just so mommy answer. Right, let me carry you to the house.
Is something wrong with you?
Me be man. Nyame you amao. Sentiment. I really love you. Catch the mama no papa. Na ni me nya ho ade. Na me no ntina. Na unu be man susu ntimi enwale. Why?
Dina about dina yo. And I'm new kasa serious. Ah. Are you okay?
O pebema. Me who so pebema. Why desperate for bema?
Me ma desperate. Now me pebema wona me ba bepel.
Oh, check me.
Ah? So me pebema wona me ba bepel.
Take me. Me bema type on that tin na open bia.
What's so unique about you?
Unique.
Huh? Me do ye dey. Ah, na woni me din koma na wo refia na. Ni wona o ka chem say o yire ni wo ma e wo kra na si o say hin.
Amo.
Aha. Into why pay me like me ye dey.
So obetima se ni hia me. Tima se na me nwale o. Na me yire no o ho ni betima ko jan sisi a. Betima ko jan sisi a.
Something is wrong with you.
She, Mister. Me adao, Mister.
Ah.
Me pel.
Enter just say.
Mister pay me be. Catch your man.
I'll report you to mommy. What's the meaning of this? So pay me.
What can I say? What did you say? What can I say?
I'll go when it's so.
So one pay me. Not that me who say unya na go for ba ha obi di na chira say my town. Na we will be wura steps na se ho. Market when I walk. And kwasha dem am no ko da sisi a my video ko na enye ai. Now the se unya no e de oba ba fiase. Na se uwa kiss no de be to a. Na bo hasi wa.
I blame mommy for bringing you into this house, looking at you yourself. What you want about Beshemina? Me who asem kwa me control. My when you first and last I can or pass my training.
Now what?
Me
wow,
you are lucky I'm in a good mood today.
Wow, so more far. E me man we what ni no so. Huh? Yes, e water do. You get in say do you have and so big. Water do. Flower bean. Wafu nyina kwete flower kama. Oku tu nyina se. Nyina ton na libre ku tasani. Obeda kura. What you say? E bona na.
Make you happy. This battle. Oh my shasha, my only shasha. Make you happy. This every day. Oh, this every day. This battle. Enya wuwa ene wanya no to grofo nyam wo to odon nyam meboa
This kind of now.
you ni no se ene dia awo eyo se chese me yera basa o me chiro me zongo lie me chiro me craziness and some fume na udi wo fiasa
Opo me man.
me best tampo what it one bottom ya no ane say na amene se wo gina hoyi wo sennam ene me ba bella and some fume na utimi nya akukudro ka che bella sa no se wo pen ale wo ne yire unya wo yire wo kurom ho inti right be na ese wo se okosi akola tutu abebu na osi so onwoda se wo gina wo se okosi na pe
Okay, ko chenu de ni.
woni wana ko chira woni wana ko chira
Fine Muslim. Me of I is say on so o 79 but I call it 20 years.
me kunu papa ye hunu e na wo fa bi ye ne moa e na we papa ye me moa me kunu papa ye hunu ntina wo tifia ah wuma wuma wani mafo wani ata wani nto sa wo boda ma I out of your mind. How dare you propose to my daughter
Or do you think I want my brother to be associated with a thing like you? Nipa mo force to say. Nipa mo adie, nipa mo broni wa. Say wo pen. Akola, wo ye dey, wo bwenji. Wo ye dey. Wo ye dey.
Nipa mo broni wa na oka.
To ye pepepe na agina ho no meboa. Wo ye pepepe na agina ho no meboa. Hey. Ade amanfo ne ma no no mululum bia na. Dia pa na ba wo chima nti ko se akola ne pe.
You say I am mature. I am mature na at least. Say nipa dey open to am so see a. Be man na be fanti me fi bia. Onyinya bi no e hwan ne bi. Ti kan me chipi in. Ashim. Na ma wana kan me no.
And you think my daughter is so cheap a girl to accept your proposal? I'm surprised you take liberties in this house. One Nkasa, you know Nkasa is the baby dear. Kakra bi a wo to me kunu. Kakra bi a me wo so pa wo mu. Hwe, krache. Me sere kwa. Ma bodam na me nam. Emfa wo sa wo fa, eye mi kunu adoye. Say one keep your name in order with fear and misbehavior. And one some activity kitamo. Well, crown as one of the buyer no. So I said the cock will be sharing answer. Better men sons and fuso. And then to be or digital.
Now say I say the several banner de 9 Mena in Lions Gilby. No Cassam Bay Mende. Madame, only baby and get for guests. Be a mother be an idea confobi nanka. You come go for guests and for well.
How about a bone? Okay, me banadu. Oh, I am banadu. Mikro Betty. Mikro by my bona money.
Oh, I don't know. Aha, ye, why my husband has me ya.
Is that how to welcome a sweet sister? How are you?
What do you mean, sweet sister? Well, you haven't been sweet ever since I can remember, so how am I supposed to call you sweet sister?
See, it's okay. I came to talk to you. Just you and I. About your girlfriend.
What is it about my girlfriend?
Listen. You don't know her that much like you think.
So you know her?
You remember I told you you would understand why I'm acting like that? You remember I told you? Let me open up to you. Prince.
I'm listening.
This girl in question is a thief. Yes, she is.
What are you talking about?
Of course I was suspecting this.
You're jealous of my girlfriend, so you think she's a thief?
Relax. Do you know this, my friend, Irene? Do you know her?
That loud Irene friend of yours. Who doesn't know Irene?
Of course. She was her classmate way back in SHS. You don't want to hear this.
What have you and Irene
This girl is a thief, friends. Just listen to me. Way back in school, they used to call her Long Hands. Do you know Long Hands? Yes. Someone who steals. Unless you don't put it there, she will take it. I even heard she went to a club to spend, buy things and run away. Who does that? Who does that?
Bella, are you even sure what you're saying? You are telling me things you heard, not things you've seen.
I am protected.
Hold on. Ever since she came to this house, has she stolen something of yours before? Has she taken anything that belongs to you before?
Prince, so I should sit, relax and wait for her to steal before I act? Once I know the kind of person she is? Hell no. She's a thief and I'm trying to protect you from her. That's all. To avoid any embarrassment. better think about it too. I came to talk to you as a sister who cares about you. So please, just think about it. I'm not going to say anything.
I'll think about it. What am I supposed to do? You've come here to tell me my girlfriend is a thief. Am I supposed to just start reacting?
No, you don't. Wait, you don't even have to think about it. Just act on this.
Act on what?
Yes! We can't allow thief in our house. Yes. And let me tell you this. I don't want any Bella is this, Bella is that in this house again. I'm making this clear once and for all. If you like, take it. If you like, don't. I'm not going to put this my mouth in your relationship again. Do you hear me? I am not. I'm washing my hands. If you like, take it. If you like, don't.
How do you even know she's a thief? What are you talking about? And come and tell me somebody has told you something about Angel Irene. Of all your friends, Irene, you take
my husband's birthday is in 3 days.
3 days?
Time. Please. I want a spring cleaning to be done in this house. A total general cleaning. Baby beer, fear baby, a straw form. See to is what pray to cheat. I'm an come. Me power chow. So I will say, Muna because so the Tiffy me so.
Oh, ma.
Shut up.
We must be true.
I'm talking, you're talking. Shut up. I've not landed yet. He said, Muna because so I don't hear mura. Me so. Stick to your duties. Because I pay you handsomely for your work in this house. And know your place in this house. You are just a domestic servant. A common house boy at that.
Oh.
I don't want a situation whereby you'll be mingling with the guest at the party. You're not part of my family.
Okay.
Stay where I tell you to stay until you're called for. Do you get me?
Yes, madam. So is it cleaning?
Yes, everywhere.
No, so I'm saying yes, it should be cleaning. I see. The whole over. Mati. May you need an amount. Why? And anyway, no. So we are watching. Really. Young wire, Naka. Then sir, we see any we and I start painting class.
Are you out of your mind? Are you out of your mind? Are you now an interior decorator? Don't you know this is a POP work? Do you know how long it takes to fix this thing? Say young wine here, 3 days time in young wine. And not for.
Say how na me the quality. I was saying say have my house see no. As
I feel it in my bones that you're going to cause trouble on the said date.
And your screen be my high. Sir, you see TV be able to clean your meaning. And now I seen you the body see na obi o be a be say obi a. Ke ko hu hia masen ke bianka obi bi kra di nsu be bi obi ana say you drink be obi. E body see na umia essence umia so e no abetwa ba. E bi say pizza na ka woni ge ho a. O twere bo pizza e bi a D R Q pizza. Na ka bi a na ka drop the blow.
What damn? You are a weirdo. You are a psycho.
You bet me the poo. I lake ya beto. You see. Nanki ya desa. Machines na. Omode boat. Nanki yes. And you do make a bit maybe.
Anyway, we call why. Oh, the answer what you train more people no apra. Yeah, go.
Na ifo garden na ifo.
Are you a landscape?
Gardeners for go make the crazy animal say. I feel good. Omode flower na ya dey no. Nanka be metimi.
I guess what being crying me. So with all the people in this world, my husband could not choose any domestic servant than you for me.
So mona me you say no. Yam kope miss you.
Excuse me.
So mona.
What did you just say? What did you just say?
Mama, so
what did you just say? How dare you? You tell me to help you carry this table.
What's that, ma?
Are you out of your mind?
Ma, obi I will say you are cleaning. Get out
before I disfigure your face. Get out. Get out. Hey God.
Why is you
Hey Bella! Bella!
Bella Mundi!
Mom!
Where am I from? You know, Moluga chance, you know.
Bella!
Cockage, you want to call protesting him. That didn't be I'm watching. I do this time.
Bella, I have told you not to be overly nice with this trash.
It's fine. A year call.
Can I come to flowers and I'll bonus? Answer Jensen and can say, oh, mommy. Well, Mama. Thank you. Mama, Johnny.
You called?
Bella, you are your daddy's girl. Please, when he comes home, tell him I want this, evil guy out of this house.
But Mom, why?
This, I think he's diabolic. Whatever he does...
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Hey! It's okay. Relax.
I'm even getting palpitations.
Sorry.
Whatever he does irritates me.
Sorry.
Bella, please. Your dad's birthday is in 3 days' time. Since he is your friend, see to it he does everything good in this.
Mom, sorry.
He has really triggered my...
It's fine.
I'm having a panic attack. This guy has to leave the house, seriously. Whatever he does irritates. I think I'll have to go and lie down.
No, let me get you water.
No, let me go and lie down.
I really want to invite her. Yeah.
Invite her. I know who you're referring to. Your girlfriend, right? That's fine. You can invite her. Since Daddy said you can invite friends and loved ones, why not? Isn't she your girlfriend? Hey.
Why do you want me to invite her? So you do what you've been doing all the time?
No. See, I hold nothing against her. She's your girlfriend. And this is going to be a memorable day. We have to celebrate with our loved ones. Why not? Come on, invite her.
Where's this sudden energy from?
See, you are my brother. And you love her. I can't be fighting you over something you cherish so much. So yeah, I have to deal with it.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, fine. I'll invite
What
her.
does she want? So that I can get it ready. Is it wine, a special wine or something? Just let me know. What does she want?
Whatever she wants, I'll get it for her. That's not your headache.
Don't do that.
I'll call her. Fine. You just go back to whatever you're doing. I'll call her.
Is it wrong to be nice? I hope I'm seeing her, right? Come on, smile.
Yes, you will. You see.
Good. All right.
Okay. So, this weekend, are you going to go to your friend's place?
No, I'll go funeral. My grandma's funeral, no?
Your grandma's friend or your grandma herself? Because I thought you said I was like
yeah, it's the same thing.
No, she your grandma's one is in 2 weeks.
Yes, but my grandma's friend is my grandma. Or?
So what happens to this weekend? I want us to go out.
You should have told me earlier. No.
It's like 5 days to the weekend, what? Okay. Saturday is my uncle's birthday. He's having a little get together in the house. Because I don't want to be alone, so that's what I'm trying to get you to come to. You say you're going for the funeral.
I don't want to come to your place.
You're coming for a party. There are going to be other people. There's not going to be just us for my sister to do her usual thing. There'll be more people, so.
You're going to say this thing like it's not just any regular say my sister's not going to do anything, but the next minute she's going to blow things, and I don't like it. I don't.
Listen.
You should understand.
I understand. You know, since you said you're not going to come again, I haven't really put pressure on you. But this is just like an event. It's a one-off thing. Just come, let's have fun. I'll get your favorite wine.
No, don't try to bribe me. No.
I'm not bribing you.
That's exactly what you're doing. Don't try that.
I could bring the wine home and then we take it here.
Better.
Come on. Just come and witness whatever it is. I would have to be there. It's my uncle's party. I need to be there before.
Baby, you can be there and come here later.
At 1 a.m.?
It doesn't matter.
You wouldn't want to come so we have fun and build up till 1 a.m.?
There's nothing to build up.
So you're coming.
There's nothing to build up.
I'll go with you to your grandma's home next week. So let's try and meet her friends on the weekend, please.
Leave me
Be my guest for Saturday. And should I get you a fit or you surprise me? Say something. Should I get
I'm
you
just thinking, because your house is a place I've told myself not to get to that place ever again.
I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you on Thursday. I'll call you on Friday and make sure to remind you to come. So you're coming. You coming?
I guess I can say no.
Yes, you are. Anyway, I'm hungry.
What you want to eat?
What do you have?
Noodles and my
No.
You're hungry?
I don't want lazy food.
Did you hear what I said?
Noodles and what?
My bed. Okay, so what should I go in for?
Noodles first, and then the second.
That's just the one to eat.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
Hey, Bella, you're looking so beautiful.
Who are you?
No, I like Bella. Bella, why?
Okay.
Why don't you remember me? Don't you remember me anymore? Bella, Andy from Facebook. I've been chatting with you for several times. Check, Andy. You see, Andy.
Okay, and so what are you doing here?
Oh, you know, I came to visit you and check up on you, how you are doing. But
you came to visit me, just like that, without any invitation.
Bella.
Are you okay?
Bella, we need big deal. We okay, Benny. I'm not chatting, and I'm a band.
Ah, no, me chatting. I'm more concerned about restaurant now. Boy, when me face, I don't. When is yours, sir?
Me no didn't come on. Feel me, Anna. Feel me as I make me so feel me. As my bound China, we be my kid 20, so be my bound China. So now with
is that what you think? Son, your own. Me no work asante. Really?
No.
You are below my. Oh, shut up. You are below my standard. Do you hear me? Even if I want to date someone, not you.
I am below your standard.
Of course. You didn't ask? Oh, I'm sorry, nigga.
Alright, what you do?
No, if you have a better crime, seen a boom ras of it. What boom? Who can mean more than oh?
I am below your standard.
Of course.
Huh?
He dare not.
What's about?
I know how can a more coin some in Brafia.
What's your name?
Only me.
Meaning so Obabo. Ura. Any the carbon answer.
Fanny Cushi go about Honum, or Edewa. No be Jina Hosan network. Fanny Piano good baby.
I was saying. Bella, why are they? Or so pana?
The effrontery.
Bella,
I am below your standard.
Ew.
Bema, what's in the pay? Huh? I don't. Why you want to be an? Why you want to be?
When you me Bonibia, a person number 2 name. And it's why yes, I don't know.
Let your person and what to me. I see Papa will be simple, sir. Huh? What I say?
What I say? What I say?
If I slap you,
get
out.
Besenko, no idea. Many sure said, sister, or but see, maybe a proposal. I say,
Bella, you see me, what I say? As my bone chain cry, I say, nobody didn't come and say it was why me, Bella. Many man say, a Korean 3 was a
when? Bema, what's missing Papa will be free as I will be matter. Now, minimum says I propose in our debut. I can't remember inside the crowd.
Then I'm the builder. Then I'm the builder.
Open yourself. Go. Let's quiet. Many people are going to go with you.
Get out.
And if I think I will do a something. Ura, Ufen. And if I feel, what to know about Pia? Ah,
what's your
want to jump like I say? What's it?
Leave.
Hey, me babu. What na dey? Babu what here?
No.
Hey, what go hanya?
Onye be ma.
Hey.
Oma. Hey, you ready?
Hello. How may I help you?
I know we've not been on a good note lately, and I'm here to apologize for my attitude towards you. I didn't mean to put you through all that. Sometimes I'll be having my personal issues, and then when I see you, it triggers me, and then I pour it all on you. I am sorry. I didn't mean to. And I'm also here to invite you to Daddy's birthday party, which will be happening tomorrow. I know you know about it, but I wanted to personally apologize and to invite you to make peace. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I hope nothing against you, and besides, if you're my boyfriend's sister, I don't think I have to hold anything against you. As long as I love my boyfriend, I can't hate you, or I can't have issues with you. So it's fine. And for the party, I think I'm gonna get back to Prince. So me coming or me not coming, I'll let you know. Or Prince is gonna let you know.
Please, don't let you not come and be as a result of...
No, it's not about you. It's not about you.
Please, I'll be very happy to see you there.
It's fine. I've got a funeral. My grandma passed, so the funeral is going to be tomorrow. So I don't know. I'm contemplating on either to come or not to come. But I'll let you know if anything.
The party's in the evening, so you can still go to the funeral.
That's what I'm trying to say, yeah. So
right. We'll be looking forward
probably
to
after
you.
the funeral. Yeah, maybe. It's fine.
All right.
Okay. So.
Bye.
Bye.
one. One. One.
No, Mr. Benjamin. You want to say your birthday, or show my own drown. I'm a mama from the and I'm a panic. I'm sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry. I'm not going to be you. Sorry, my love. Sorry. You took concerts in a way. I see me. I'm going to be working. Tell me a question. I don't know. Mama said the temple of the celebration. Hey, sorry. I don't want you to catch me. We couldn't even have a toast or something. We couldn't bring a toast to himself. Okay. What's the plan working? Where did your mind come from? The Cayenne. And my dear sister, how are you? I am my head, but Roman. Morale, we're Romano. What were you? What's your own plan for what? Hey, what's that for? One on the church. Since I died, she said, Saturday. Who say, ye money of soup? I didn't mean I do. This is getting in I would appreciate. And ye be beer, irritating. Nasabi. Maybe could take it to I am me. Mammoso. He reached Masako to you. Eh, Mira. Oh. Birthday started ya ni pepe started aba na kutunsu yimi. Nteme mamura obi obechi bia mamura san. Ni nyina firi me se. Ye fanship company bi nsa. On sa kente furniture kwampo na. Ne na Nkansah No, I pay am. Come. Chinchira. Amira, Maye, Jamami, with a mioba, minimum open. Maybe.
I wanted this to be a very small idea with family and friends.
We know damn to work. We beat down the giant, but this will be massy.
Sweetie pie. I want to away home, so I feel you're right there. Maybe my own so.
Oh, she be here. Me, media, baby, and me. Meeting we are pretty and Bibia and a pie, media. It's a more tournament. What the hell? What do you got? We are media. We are sick matter.
The soul is one.
Me phone na phone.
Oh phone.
Any bedroom. Oh phone find your compacho.
Any be ho.
Anyone have a phone.
Any bedroom.
Damn, me phone 2 weeks about his phone.
What was the last time I'm here? Any kind.
And we here down.
Me shut them up.
Mo fire.
Yeah, me fire phone.
Oh.
When was the last time I went?
Just say, I'm not your meeting in free at the Menchepe. I'm in Chile, a Casafonso.
David, I said, your bedroom will be young. So how come the phone is not in the room?
Many phone and a board in a habit. Young numbers here, and of course, a million in it. And I'm a girl. Come on, for Fleming. Tell of my Fleming. It's a Kobe and a Betty. I'm at your phone, sir.
I'm even surprised. This is the first time something like this is happening.
Daddy.
Prince.
Have
you seen your father's phone?
My phone. I will have a phone to say. Where?
He's misplaced his phone. We've been looking for it for the past hours. Few hours.
Yes. What phone is it?
What phone?
I am a tuner. Bring it to. Bring it.
Hey! I said it.
Hey. No,
Bring it out.
No.
Is that what Daddy's phone? Hey, that's it.
Let me have a look at it.
Hey!
My dear, your phone now. Your business are you phone even a phone?
No. Wait. Mama from. I know Mama from.
Angel.
Baby,
please. I'm sure there's a mix up somewhere.
No. Hey.
Mix up what?
No. How did my husband's phone get into your bag?
Exactly. How
Mommy,
did it get into
hold
my bag?
on. Auntie, see.
So how did the phone get into your bag? Angel.
No, Auntie, relax. Last night, right after the party, we just went inside. Did you?
Stop defending
No,
her. She
hey.
stole it.
No. Hold it.
I told you guys about this.
And Angel, how did you get into our bedroom to take the phone?
Exactly.
Yes,
myself.
Auntie, that's the same question I'm asking. Like, how is she going to your room to take the phone?
Bless him. Black Queen Jesse.
But how is she going to your room?
Where you come from?
Yes, Daddy.
Wafa.
She said thief.
Are you a thief?
Hey, watch the way you talk.
Hey.
Yes, very careful. Chiri. Me phone da me da. Phone da me perfectly. I'm a tidanche. What about your phone and how they go?
How did I enter your room?
Are you asking us?
Hey, what's Spanky?
Wafa.
Who's the master ski?
Wafa, she never entered the room. Did you?
How?
What time did you leave me?
Exactly.
Wafa, she did not leave my side any time in the during the night.
Chucky
Yes.
I don't know from the account.
Mistake.
What? Mistakenly.
Auntie, this is a plan. She didn't enter your room. She did not enter your room. Wafa, she didn't enter your room.
Hey, what do you see? I am on plan. I said, "Wouldn't have done." Tattoo, good is tattoo. Better too. I couldn't sound.
And now who's will be for phone over here?
I'm ready to that demo.
No, because I want to understand.
Phone look at your man.
Wafa phone was Angel Bam. How did Wafa's phone enter?
My phone, I said,
how?
I got it.
Mira, just said, Bella can't.
I said it in this
Listen, how about you?
I said baggy.
Her bag.
Mommy,
yeah, phone, phone ring on the back.
Oh,
what are you going for?
Why the two goons as I go for back?
I said it.
Oh, stop it, how you are?
Prince, take her out of here.
Leave the house.
Thief!
What's up?
Yeah. Who phone you like?
Hey, God.
I
said it to you. That this girl is a thief. No one believes me.
And then hear me.
Now, so can't
Oh, fine. Huh?
Confronting.
You come on, Fato. You never want. That's what you come on.
You are
no, just all cry for who
Baby.
Who could be?
Mummy Sisi, da. Mummy Sisi. So, dear. Who could us?
That's all one.
Daddy, more picture. I'm just a movie with Papa Biasa.
Get a confront. Me, mammy, picture that.
What's up, your mommy? What's up, your phone?
Hey.
Now who's a reliever?
We are not
fighting for my mama to grandma. I don't know
Jimmy and also. Say cheese.
Is it your boy?
Moraja is something.
Who you know?
What's up?
Jara for the phone command.
Now, Jenny.
I got you.
Do that.
What you made? No,
please, where I'm going, add her bag, okay? Her bag is on the floor. Yeah, add it to it.
What that's him?
Hey! Today the cat is out of the bag. Now, if I say something in this house, you will believe me. I told you this girl is a thief.
What fast go fago? Ni be shen bag mo se go fago.
I'm sure that just me. I will phone.
Hey, Mimi was see this be on me them who I hope say.
Go.
Because hey,
what going on Safa? Who going to match when is
Tell me be a champion.
What you want?
What them? Yeah, what you make one?
How are they?
I would in all them over.
Mr. Matona, my mama. Anna,
Mama, go round, man.
Yes, I.
When I will get to walk.
Remember that get and I come from because we never know. Hey, I'm going to tell you,
how to be also near my minute.
Just a way to go back to my sick because my Bob is your phone.
Go find out what
Nothing no worry.
It's your phone.
I know.
The radius is a phone. Like you said, and your phone, name my was. Also, yeah, what job was trying, what job was to say, what?
And I come and say,
can't be. Many could be in Comoco. What's it? On
Hey.
Abaya come and say the chronodia. On transfer, Gabia was with you. And I may
Hey! $2 million.
That's it. Yes. No. Listen. When I go to the place in the morning. No, yesterday in the evening. Sorry, yesterday. When I got to the house yesterday evening, I just took my bag to Prince's room. Yes, and it was there all through the party. Exactly. I didn't go anywhere. How would you expect me to even enter the parents' room? How? I'm confused. I don't know how the thing got into my bag. I swear to God, I don't know. Okay. Who am I going to call? Hello? Has Prince called you? No,
No, I can't calm down. I don't know what he's thinking right now. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know. I have no idea how this thing got into my bag. I swear to God. I have no idea how this thing got into my bag. Trust me. Okay, call him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. What am I going to do? What is he thinking? Should I call him? He's not breaking my door.
I don't think she did it. She's not like that.
So who did?
I don't know. I just feel like it's a setup. She won't do that. She's been here several times. We spent time in my room. We spent time here. She's never stolen anything from me. So why would she come and do that at the party? It doesn't make sense, Auntie.
Prince, I hope you are conversant with the word kleptomaniac. Some people steal because of a psychological disorder.
There's nothing wrong with her.
So you are here saying she didn't steal it. So who did? Appearances don't lie. The phone was found in her bag.
Auntie, it was a setup. I don't know. I just feel like it was a setup.
Excuse me?
There's somebody behind this.
And who is that person? What are you implying? Who will do that?
I don't know. I just feel like there's somebody behind this because Angel will never do something like that. She won't steal from me.
So why are you still trying to, defend her?
Prince, you're still defending this girl on this issue.
Who has called you here?
She's a thief and she stole it.
Why I know? Because I want to
Yes, she stole it. We
So
all
what?
saw it.
And Prince, you don't know the length I went to always defend this girl when Bella always raised the issue of her being a thief.
But why is she so sure that the Angel stole the phone? Why are you so sure?
There's a clear evidence. Didn't you see it? Didn't you see the phone in her bag? Didn't you?
I think it's high time you come to terms with the fact that you were dating a thief. And that thief of a girlfriend had no shame but to come into your house and steal. Now, Rana, what is your problem? You are a nice chap, very, self-sufficient, well-achieved. What girl do you want that you won't get? Just let her go. Why would you get entangled with a thief? Huh?
Auntie, I'm going to find whoever did this, honestly. Because I don't think she did it herself. She won't do that.
My boy, like I said earlier, come to terms with the fact that your girlfriend is a thief. Yes.
Tell him.
And under no circumstances is she to come to this house again.
Yes.
She's not welcome.
She's not coming here again. This is the time for you to accept the fact that she's a thief. And that's it. The last time was the last.
It's okay. Stop rubbing salt into his wound.
So, ending this chapter here. Stop.
The girl is a thief. So come to terms with it.
She's not a thief. Whoever is asking this, I'm going to...
Huh? How many times? I never catch you say, Samuel Lana. I'm one Canada. If you say no, depending on. When you said this about some, be binting a woman, I will go in now. I said, no, we didn't attempt. What you know, no, didn't attempt. I didn't. What's what did I attempt?
Daddy, no. It's not true. How can I disrespect an elderly like that? No, I didn't.
Bella, you lied to me. Which time said who can send you?
No. I've not insulted him.
Can you swear?
Yes, Daddy, I swear.
Which one you swear to? God. Will be a yame. Tenyame Mukana Naya won't come in away. I won't shout one. And I will apply. I can't take a canker.
Daddy, so you don't believe me?
Hey, Mola! Mola!
Hello.
Bra.
Honorable.
A seminar to many. Sa catching beam. Not Bella empty.
Honorable, now me say me will get na I plan to buy. Boy be tete bisa. Not only say only no a chat me son na ana chat.
Ben be fear want be fear.
Oba fear say.
So be
no so over Bella. I'm say
Ben ma Bella.
Bema ba no. Yeah. Ti nipa ne ba no so ohwe na mba be frɛ. Eti sɛ nyo no ama nipa no kwa so ba sanya de nipa no udi no abo.
Nekure.
Me tem me nu ni sa sɛ bia mba frɛ so bi obi.
Dabi. Nani tina atenche. Me na atenche.
Nipa na ono no ama to no ama na bo so no na na bo. Me be frɛ wa na no ho atani. Udi matam sa me kwa.
Did I insult you?
Hey. What to do me?
Immoral. Hey. Daddy, what he said, he's wrong.
Catch you want me. What I catch you want it.
Nipa na oba so be. Me nim no baby o. Nyame na me friend so ombra. Just that you chatting on Facebook. That was all. How can this person has the audacity to enter our house without my consent? And you were the same person who opened the door for him to come inside.
Me nim.
So if he was you didn't know.
Hey,
you didn't know he let you open.
Shut up! Talk to me. Mama Bema, etime befia.
Did you money buy help? I don't know. Did you money buy? What did he say?
Hey,
he said he didn't knew.
And you didn't know, boy.
Kabafuni. Hey, Bella. What are they chatting?
It was just a normal conversation. Then boom, he showed up here. I knew nothing about it, and you opened the door for him to come inside.
What?
Now the only be a pony money by inside. He can't Confronting and come up and react if you have your money now.
Mola.
What?
Mola.
Honorable.
Wanna be a gate?
You should have confirmed from me first before letting him into the house, but you didn't. Yet you here complaining I'm insulting you.
The plan is if you need the catching say if you know. I ain't
what's that? What's that?
Me and I'm saying, and one me and Mrs. Effie.
What did he?
Oh, what did he not say? And me,
no friend, no for
Guy, I don't know, guy, there.
I don't know, Kumasi.
Oh, Kumasi.
What did he say? Who fear?
Oh, what sort of hit up?
Hit up. Now say we.
Oh, now say me when me chain will say. Me na Mrs. Effie.
Okay.
Woman so you never be answer. I won't say me na Mrs. What did he? Ana nya oba idia ene go gidi say
we feel if you una skare how dia
Honorable it's so chuban.
I don't want to tell my father how to correct me.
Tiam ya want to make kasa ro na yam ya.
Okay
tiam
bajo matian why
bajo
Daddy, concentrate more on the fact that he's not taking good care of the house. Letting strangers into the house.
Honorable
as a security, as a great man. Obi ba, so na ma chat. To no match require. We be get no. We be inside.
Yes.
Hey,
from Akai.
Hola.
Yummy.
Nice and you do that no. You deserve it.
After Makai, but they always discover you. And I'm pass away so no.
Daddy, see.
Let me see you, Pacho.
I feel bunny. Mola, I feel, I'm telling you. You know me. You know my character. When I start to behave to you, you be shocked. Get out.
Thank you, Honorable.
Get out.
Pacho, why?
Daddy, you see, I can't disrespect him like that. You raised me well. I'm your favorite and lover girl. How can I be insulting an elderly person? You should take your time sometimes.
You chatting someone?
Oh no, it's
Facebook.
nothing. It's just a
He came here to visit you. Right there when they will allow yourself in your bedroom to pump you.
I threw him out. I sacked him.
Kaki, what's that? Hey, Belamundi. Who is you?
Oh no.
Who is Yepi? Why shasiye. Ni be making komo. Just say, we say, when who prepare can
Daddy, stop that.
No, tell me the pound. No one's a man when young. Baba Papi, what didn't know? But she be a bob. As a Pilonia cheddar. Pambedia for freedom to go. Caesar. Medicine body agro.
Don't worry, Daddy. Very soon, I'll bring someone prominent to you.
It's okay.
Just like you. Just like you.
It's okay. Hey, who's getting it? Who's going Baba party I had? It's okay.
That's my daddy.
That's my baby girl. When am I drop? First
Come again.
When am I drop?
The phone got into my bag. I don't know who placed it in my bag. I am lost. I am confused. I don't know how to think straight. I don't know the word to use apart from confused. Sam, when I got to the gate, as I was telling you earlier, Prince came to pick me from the gate, took me inside. He actually took my, you know how Prince and I are. He took my bag from me. We went straight to the room. I didn't pick up my bag again till the next day.
This is serious.
My phone was with Prince. I wasn't doing nothing. And he was with me all along.
And you mean they saw the phone inside your bag?
Yes.
That same phone?
The same phone.
Hey. This should be a setup or something.
The same phone. And I'm trying to call Prince and he's not picking my calls, nor returning my messages.
Where did you put your bag?
My bag was with Prince, so it wasn't... Sam, my bag was with Prince. Prince took my bag from me from the gate. The only time I got my bag again was the next day.
This is weird. Serious. Trust me. Trust me.
So when the phone rang, I was like, did you put it in there? I asked him, cause what a bag and OG Freeman.
That baffles me a lot because how did the phone get into your bag?
No. I don't know. I'm confused. If anyone had access to my bag, it's gonna be Prince. It's going to be Prince.
This is serious.
Sam, I'm confused.
Stolen phone.
Sam, I don't know what to do. How can I steal your phone when I even use a higher version of that phone you're talking about?
So now, what are you going to do?
I don't know.
Have you called him?
He's not picking my calls.
He's not picking your calls?
He's not returning my messages either.
Since you came or?
Since I came, since I left the house that day. Till now.
Okay, fine. I'll try and talk to you and then find out what we'll do, okay?
Sam, I don't know. I don't know.
So if you believe in your heart that you did not take
I
the
don't
phone,
want to lose Prince. I love him.
No, you're not going to lose him. Trust me, you won't lose him. He loves you a lot and I'm sure if I talk to him, he will understand.
That's all. Do you think I don't believe you? Of course, I'm taking your word, but then how do I explain it to them? How can they also make me? They're not listening to me. Nobody's minding me. Listen, I know. I'm not calling you a thief. No, of course, you didn't do it. But how do you prove it to them now? Just calm down and just listen to me. So, I don't know. Maybe I could set up a meeting, you come and apologize or something. Just to clear the airways. I don't like their energy. Because I'm not happy in the house anymore. For something that I know nothing about. And I know clearly that you didn't do it. No matter how many times I've said, no matter how many times I've explained things to them, It just doesn't go anywhere. I know, babe. Listen, I'm sorry. Just calm down. I know. But then we just have to do that so that there'll be peace. So that I can see you again in peace. That's all. Yeah, because then you should see how my sister is behaving. She's so happy about everything. I don't know. I really can't tell. I keep saying this is a planned thing. Whoever is behind this thing, we're going to find out soon. So you just calm down. I'm still handling things, okay? Please. Sure, I will. I'll come and see you. Okay?
Peace all in this one.
Hello, Prince. No, I don't know. I said, woman wants to be a thing. I don't know. Prince, any bet in your befiasi, you program it, say, it's not the fat yet. And you say, you'll be the common to the school. You who's having a bad.
Hey, Bora.
And I'm fine.
We are sure, say. Well, she doesn't need the background from the share bag. She didn't steal the phone. You know she didn't steal the phone. So tell me who put the phone in her bag. Remember, catch me say, "Oh no, far phone." And you're not far phone. Remember, move. Hey, and you're not far phone. No.
Now the one some class is say. But no, no, need you at the end of one. I share in the bag. No, we'll be na atamakushim. Now, sa phone no. If you are we'll be better than and you can phone that's what
Since Nkansah set up because the phone will fee her that we have several times when your first time over fee her or baby fee no way we are there why the dada
setup is my foot.
Setup is what foot? She hasn't stolen any phone in this house before. So what makes you who original? Then I will think that she's the one who stole the phone. You are part of what is going on.
I'm not so confused.
Me so confused saying who you don't so confused? Did you see her steal the phone? Did you see her steal the phone?
It's I'm fire as well.
Nkansah on fire, but I know that you know who did that.
I didn't hear me depa cause we fear hear me depa can stay by the I see. You see, me who say me bibie no be ira me ye be sheme because ye hu Confronting na oba fi ase. It is ye hu Confronting we na say ye boa ma yetimi apam na fi fi ase na say na say what to Confronting do mo say I don't know what happened. What to Confronting do mo. Obi wiya woni ko suya pa ma wiya hu we fa nko ba bia. Wodi be ba ho so do bo se wo dampan wa ya sini ho. Wa tu be makọ. Oba Confronting. Wo se ya no ba na bag gitu equity sense. Woni ni ma yi. Ko fo me ma no mo hwa nko.
See, I'm in general ba say obetum fa now then I'll be you have just come to make the thing with get out of my sight.
But sure katrema si abi. Na wa obo hu katrema de be kasa ye kasema wo mien kasa. Yeah, can I say, oh, yeah. We can't say many one of you can I get better than I want to be who say, hey, if I'm meeting. Me who, baby, see, our yakron for your can't one few. Later, the boyfriend apartment, oh, buffa, and the handbag him the goy. Catchy, when the bounce not, I see, well, yes, in na. I see the go after baby, grandma, and your baby, Mariani. I don't hear customer go want to say we is going to what
you see nipa na offer phone one day nobody enche be hu nipa call for phone it won't take long say we na ofia
hello me bo what
where
see me bo what so they see so confusion I don't say the corner to so bia na wo fe what afi na esia go gina wi ni be hwe na hello wo di ni me diablo we too full. Now hope so baby. Only my home family cry me hello. My home family pa bebre ba pu be me. Me ba. Na traffic mess be man ha wire so ba. My home family wuti me. Na di supu sam say my home family away. Oba be si oba me no ko bo no kro no. Ade chi ni wa tu manim no fefefe no. E de pastor we si ho. E ne hwe me ni pedua me na mo. Na ka ha na ka me wo.
I'm saying about offer baby.
What say? Who for the answer now? I said, I'll come.
So what is in two for? When you do you say, when you house no, and the town, I feel baby could be an earpam. I feel baby, I want to say. See my foot to watching a baby watching a baby, watching you, Martin. Let me see, go. Me sink one,
you are done, go. What I say, Martin call.
See me drink one again, Emia. Go to music and pay. Come up on me, blah. Yes, so snake. That's so fear sister. They be me bia. Say me more me name no nsi baby ya won for ni hu a me ni fear see. Because sada maybe na ma to me man ma me ko komo. What is the no? You me name. Come the good bra. Na see. I'm going to talk. That's it. For the call.
Nobody wants to pay. See that reason. I'll be down. Kasa.
It's about her, right? I know. Don't think about it too much.
I'm confused.
I told you. But hey, all is not lost.
I don't think she did it, honestly. I still don't think she did it. Because why would she do that?
Why are you still defending this girl?
There's something alright. I don't know.
We all caught her. So why defend her? You know what? Hey, come on. Take it. Yeah. See, there are plenty ladies and girls out there. I also learned that girls with short hairs, they have good attitude. I mean, that girls with short hairs, they have good attitude. I mean, if you can't search for one, I'm here. I can help you do that. Okay? See, these girls out there, they're not good. See the kind of embarrassment she caused you.
Did she really do that?
Yes.
Did she really take it?
Were you not there? Didn't you see it? It was clear. See, you have to forget about her. And, you know, start looking elsewhere. Just, you know, don't bother. Leave that to me, okay? And I don't want to see you seated, lonely and idle, frustrated and confused. Chill. That's why I brought you this juice. Just cool off, right? Hey, if she loves you, she wouldn't have disgraced you like this. I already told you, we love you. Your family loves you, and I love you. Hey, I don't want to see you sad, okay? Come on. Relationship, love is not something to be worried about.
Fine. I hear you. It's okay. I hear you.
Okay, so stop frowning. What's that? Are you not happy to see me around?
Look, I'm still processing everything, so you should understand my silence and all that. Be patient with me.
What else do you need? What proof do you need that this girl is a thief? Huh? And she's out of your life for good. We are here, your family. I am here, Bella. Okay, please, come on. See, I'll always be by you, be by your side, protect you, love you. I mean, please, are you not happy with me? Come on.
What do you want me to say? I don't have anything to say.
I just want you to be happy she's out of your life. Move on. Please move on.
Okay,
There's a lot ahead. Can't you see? Like, can't you see? Don't you have eyes?
Fine, I will.
Good. So now, an Angel's chapter closed, right? Her chapter is closed, right?
Yes.
That's my guy. Now drink.
Why you call me come here? Make we go eat the fufu. You are the come, I come wait.
Make we go. So what do you eat right now?
I just think about fufu.
Make we go eat fufu. I want to eat fufu. Always what? You call me from house. I can't make you the talk.
Wait,
so what you do? Who
fine. They wait for someone.
You do wait for who?
The person they come.
Hey, but who you wait for? This area is away me. I don't know.
They come.
Bad man.
I beg. Bad man, why you fear? Straight to your face, la, Charlie.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What are you doing here?
I wanted us to talk.
You should have told me it was Angel you were calling.
Prince.
You know, you stand here, you say somebody they come, somebody they come.
I beg.
Bro, you know the situation at hand.
I know, Charlie.
So what are you trying to say? Why are you ignoring my calls? Why are you not replying my messages?
I'm confused. I told you the last time. I told you how everything happened.
I know.
They say he picked up.
See. She also has her own side of the story. Understand? So if you listen to her,
do you think I don't know? I know everything.
You know what? You know, say she stole the phone.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
So what are you saying?
I know she didn't, but the phone was in her bag. Who can?
Sam, I want you to ask this man here. When I got to the house, you came to pick me from the gate to your room straight. I didn't go anywhere. My bag was in your possession. So how come this thing got into my bag? That's the question.
You understand?
And you are even accusing me.
Am I accusing you?
So why are you rejecting me now?
Fine. You see, whatever it is, just forget it, okay? She's your girlfriend and this shouldn't be something serious that will break.
I've forgotten about this thing long time, but it can't. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to forget about it.
Just forget it and forgive her. Fine.
Do you love me?
Assuming she stole the phone.
Sam, wait. Do you love me? Do you love me?
Dude, it's hard for me right now.
Just yes or no. Do you love me?
Prince. Yo.
Sam.
Prince.
idea. As soon as I call Sophia, who me and come once a while, boy, and I worry.
Obaka kwisi say. Obaka sem. Akwisi say. Woko, wanko dey sin anya siewi. Asa obawo. Usuma dey achi. Wansu, abofa na sound so le mebi. Dey ni basu. Jaw fasu, wana be ya dey am yamashi. Tiswe ni pani wesi ni pani. Jaw be rumpo. Wanye, na ba de o me.
The way I see, Gina again, we are cheaper. Our best idea.
Ah! Timaba we are dear. One fella dem pa.
Ofa. Auntie. Ofa.
Aseme.
From patrol. You say na mesuna in Gwase we abafia, but me nim so beti me obe ya dey tisa that.
Woni say dai. Obeti me dai.
Me cry no, I'm still shocked. Still I'm in tears here.
Prince.
To
say I'm disappointed is an understatement. I never dreamt your girlfriend could do that.
Auntie, I'm as surprised as you. I didn't know she could do something like that.
The way I was rooting for this, your girl, you cannot imagine.
Okay, Anna, I'm surprised too. I'm also surprised. When you're surprised, we are away. Please, we are away. Now, I can't trust yourself about that better. No, but see how Confronting. And I'm in for phone. What shall I to do? Now let's say, Miss Yokum. Everybody, what will be a phone? One fella, one boy, one plan, a bush of four. If you never ready. Never ready, send a baby to go. Hey, please.
Where at all did you meet her?
Auntie, I feel we are rushing. We are rushing to blame her. Maybe Obi medical question about it.
How?
Because what?
Hey, wait. Before they see you. Before. Oh, yeah. Where they would have been.
Of also about her that. Oh, yes, on your dear son. So why would she do that at the party?
Adia, when you had this had.
No.
Why are you saying about me? I. Why are you saying?
So why they said to say insane? Or do you see and they have happy? Huh? Prince?
Who will catch it? Don't be a clone for. What's about me?
And Bella kept hammering on the point that your girl was a thief.
Yes!
I didn't do anything about it.
She's a thief! And I'm a Bella, I'm Vanessa. Where clone for bar? Who in the Nimpa? What's that robber? But when I sing, where's Celine Dion?
Prince.
Well, like it.
Your girlfriend has already
signed
her fate. I don't want her anywhere near this house again. So from now on, I don't want anywhere near this house, please. I don't want a situation whereby I'll cause embarrassment.
Oh, yeah, the whole floor over channel. Boom! What you can see, where they gun. Why should that? Oh, I'm going to carry at the good way. Go back and see where you are. What do you want here? Oh, no one me. I can see it.
Mira. Nkansah the kid to phone of fire say worth over 20,000.
Oh, send it.
Okay, compared to your wealth today, yeah. So
it's what you wait back away. Come for welcome.
There's nothing else to be said.
Biamba Fabo. Be kind of investigation, you know, you are son wrong. And I don't want.
As you. Okay. Hey. And
So is it because I'm taking things cool with you? You have to talk to me anyhow like you want?
What?
Who leave me so bad? And I'm here Kasaboko. It's what fun? You've taken everything for granted? Hey. Hell no.
Adamakasa Hona. Please, I don't have any time for you. Please. You what's some kind of maker? Adai, make a wee for them. The patron was she. We win.
Even if I smoke, is it your business?
Brana.
If I'm home. You don't have
Hey!
Mommy, come and listen.
Can't a person have peace in their own house? What is happening here
Mommy,
again?
not when this guy is here.
I'm not okay.
Mura.
Please, I'm not okay. Uncle Falco and I say, brother Sammy. I didn't number Fiasi.
Mommy, that's not even what we're talking about. He's here insulting you and daddy. That you didn't raise your children well. The manner in which you raise your children is very bad. You raise weed smokers, disobedient. Yes, you.
Hey, Mura.
You this guy.
He's insulting you.
You this guy. You insulting me.
They don't even.
Did you insult us?
No, madam. Please.
Yes.
I don't insult you.
Did you insult us?
No. Me I say kura. What the casa shams are me better my I don't know what
I didn't have that.
No, who are you to tell us how to raise our kids?
Can't say me what?
Huh? Are you out of your mind?
Ni what at our can't say me what?
Share.
Me body am.
Hey!
I dey marry.
Hey!
If you am dream me ho sa. Me ka obi a. Me pentem eni me gu kitchen nya sekretwa. O de kasa e hye me. Na me say enye kasa da. Eni makasa ase me ya wo front atom.
Ma
me area say ade a nipa be ya me suro ni police station eni duabo. Me kunu everything wo fi ha. Me mani ya wo say there's something off about you amempe. Sa ububonia.
What do ha to me so no da man to me so.
O se wonu ni ho kra so be ya adwuma ofiase.
Hey. Take your diabolic.
Hey,
Pacho. I am a Christian. Pacho, me pacho, Mr. Hey, me pacho.
Keba bu who the man so wo. I'm school for a budget go.
Mr. Diabot dear. Also want to tell me ban.
That's how I can amon.
Diabot can also want to tell me ban.
He said it.
Me said it.
Shut up.
Say man, say me kind. Hey.
Leave. Take your wahala away. Leave.
Again, people are saying the question. Me now, me go back please.
Leave.
But just people at once. I mean,
Is that not your duty?
Free haven't it?
Saying all sort of things. Mind your business.
Shut up. You are the cause of everything. Shut up. The guy is threatening to curse you and you are still running your mouth.
Curse me. I'm telling them.
Me pacho.
Coming on go there.
Erade. Erade. Nkrase for asetena. Erade. E abolu to free.
Podium bobo. Podium mo ko bi na nko dan. O ka le gan nsu ka se me jimi ni nsu ka na nsu.
Me pacho.
Ma fa echi ya tu ka fa echi ya.
Hey.
O ka se.
Hey, fa musu ko. Me abubu ni ade ade.
Na ka me nsu ga na nsu. What? Come you shoot bombo. I pretend you. On no dia no friend na obeje so, but o kodane a enye ye da pa mutu kan ko on fam.
Go.
I love.
Hey, fa obeye ko kwai. Na me kunu so asobete. Ko fa abobonua. Kwai ko. Fa obeye asem ko.
Wini obe shiwa. Ama he na bon wi.
Mommy.
Shut up. It is all your fault. Shut up. The guy is threatening to curse you and you are still here running your mouth.
But
and would you shut up? Did you not go in for a drug addict?
He's not a drug addict. He was insulting you and daddy. What do you expect me to do?
Are you not friends with him? Have you not given him that liberties with you? Get out of my sight before I also get angry with you.
I'm watching.
Get out. I don't want to see you even around me. Get out. Why can I not have peace in my own house? You were at all with my husband. Why could you say in some way you know me so sad? And Jenna, my baby, my baby, watch out. I also pay boys and say, me boy.
You're here. Hey, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm so exhausted. How's your day? You've been here all day? Wow. I'm so tired. I went to meet the girlies. Then we went out checking on some few things. And not forgetting my brother, I got you some few things. Hope you like them.
This is like the first time you're doing something like this.
So I can't gift my brother.
How long have I been living with you in this house?
It doesn't matter. Do you like them or not?
I have to process it because this is like a surprise to me. I didn't expect this.
I know you would like it.
Anyway, thank you. You're nice. How do you know I like them?
I've been with you here, so I know what you want and what you would like.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Is Mom around?
Yeah, she's in her room, I'm sure.
Okay, I'm tired. I have to get some rest.
Thank you for the stuff.
You're welcome.
Why are you... You never gifted me. Why are you gifting me now?
Good morning. It's okay. Angie. Bijis obadi nyakopado hoye. Ansana panyi betu nan. Abo akokoto na ase no. Dey asema ehia. Ti na betu na adaba na ase. Me say suo me ntum nan. Enko abofran fie da. Who the first person? You break my record. Na bibi ensia bibi nyeye. We abofra. Abofra bowa. No ma chichi de. Wa ba be wia me. Sikani mo se wa wia be fon. Fo be business the whole West Africa. Men dan go tamu. Ana dim komba. Brigade mo. What ma wia fo ma? The whole course agbo me. Anya we me ba na mpra no. Anya wade mpo. Me dia chaw. Ma chi wantum. Me amamu. Ma na we. What's up for check to be said? Who will come? The commission. Nevertheless in my life. Well, beautiful me back. I take one from that. Unless I'm dying. This is my who. Nama Baha'i. A free natural. Somebody. A saber tunnel. And I will. Carbono. Kurampa. Ayawa. Meneum Gagana. Young girl. Yabako Osro. Chenier.
Me patrol. Daben am no this uncle.
Ewu here. Minam Gana man foka. And I. Ham crampo. O my Jimmy said, what to idea? My Cassian Qua and Sasson Yape. Swung. No man foka. And I Gana dear. Traffic in the Ghana be I will form in this room. Mini pen a baby traffic in Timmy. Tie, me a wicked mind. Her penny be Ghana ha. What the late a part of this be wicked. Hear me. We are ready to die. We are sharing curtains. A gentleman said, "Pet, you hear 5 services. Yeah, a 1 hour machine, fish and rubber. To be ye, none of me, and yes, I don't know. Be very careful. Mamma, I'm saying for as a 2 for so, I will go so and a church out of Timbay.
Yes.
I come here to peace. Monsieur, I come for bar. Where we are me from? Where we are me, Monsieur? Where we are me? What's in Bika?
And she's even lying.
Kachi. Let me see.
Obwa, me, onyeshi. Now, why not send us our text messages now? I Confronting bang. And the baby phone of your I was start threatening me with our text messages now. So be come. Ah, you know about baby phone.
What I said, I said, she wanted to have big letters.
Big letters will be come.
Let's walk 1 minute cry. 1 minute high. What the says that say? Capital letters.
Said the soon.
It's okay. Come back to my jai. Na me catch him. What do you not go watching? Nana, Murray, on to be can, and I, my young tomb, my man catch out, and ne, I damn me, Chada, Pambadiaco, freedom Jacob Caesar, me my warning. Between my disagree, become sinai, come in for catches, and Patalis Chada, Muduname, Mabushan and Kamasam. Nana, ya watching. Actually, on the TV show, phone show, and I got a form. Mina, my room, opiatum, me, mutum. As in Jack, who we have a shit. Muraye, the catcher. Melowie, why not go far by yo, JJ, come for bar. Eh, yeah. No swamp. Why we have a tragedy? I see over. Just let them check on you. What can I tell me? When you man, you know. Can't believe that we shall fall. Can't believe money.
Have you had something to eat?
I'm okay.
You know what? Today, I want to take over the kitchen. Yep. I'm going to the market to get stuff to prepare assorted jollof rice. Hope you would like it.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Good. Sometimes you also have to make a choice, you know. You're also a man of the house. Do you know that? So, what would you prefer? Jollof?
You said you prefer jollof, right? So.
You'd love to have that? Or you have other choice?
I think the jollof is fine.
Okay then. What chicken, beef, or fish? Which?
With anything.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah.
I'm gonna go inside and take a nap.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh.
A little dizzy, so.
I'll just be here and then go to the market in no time. So. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Yeah. both naked. What have you done to me? Bella! Hey, open your eyes. I'm talking to you. What have you done to me? What is wrong with you? Why are we both naked? What have you done? What have you done to me? Hey, Bella, I'm asking. Hey, what is wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What are you even up to? Don't touch me. Hey, why am I naked? No, in fact, why are you naked in my... What are you doing in my bed? Huh? What are you doing here? I'm asking you a question. What are you doing here?
Stop being childish.
Childish about what, Bella? If your mom walks in and sees you... What are you doing in my bed naked, huh?
See, listen. I've been in love with you all this while.
What are you talking?
No, hold on. Why do you think I keep, fighting you over Angel?
Are you listening to yourself? Are you listening to yourself? We've grown up together. You're my sister. You're telling me you love who? Are you? Hey!
About that. See,
Stop.
Wait.
You know what? I don't want to make a scene. Just
why are you making this a
get
big
out.
deal?
Go out.
Relax.
Go out with this nonsense. What?
You're not my biological brother.
So what?
I'm blood brother.
Bella, so what? So this is what you...
See, relax.
This whole thing is not making sense. That's why you've been hating on Angel, right? This what? Look.
See. I'm in love with you, and that is it.
You're in love with who? I don't... Look. Get out of that love, okay? Get it out of your mind. You are insane. There's something wrong with you. You are insane. Why would you do this? You've lived with me for all these years, only to come and... Like, why? Bella, why? Look, leave. Get up and leave. Get up and leave before I go...
You remember I told Mom about finding someone I love, right? And that person is you. Come here.
You're a witch.
Hey. Tell me you didn't like it.
You're a witch.
Tell me you didn't like it.
Look, get out of my room. Get
Ew.
out. Get up. Get out of my room.
Come here, baby.
Hey, get up and leave my room.
Friends.
What is it?
What's this attitude about? If it's about what happened, no one knows about it. Unless you want me to spell it out. Then, you have to put away all this attitude. It happened. What can you do about it? Nothing. And you don't want anyone knowing about our little secret, right? So yeah, act right. Chill. What? What are you scared of?
Are you happy with yourself?
Happy, you say? I'm super happy. Is there any other word? Yeah. Okay, so what's bothering you?
You know exactly what's bothering me. Stop pretending.
What are you scared of? Come on, you're a man. A grown man.
You did this and you're happy with the fact that this is what you did? You've got what you want now, right? Let go, just don't touch me.
Hey! Who's shouting? You?
What type of witch are you?
You're funny.
What type of witch
Hey,
are you?
listen to me. Let today mark the last time you bring any lady to this house. Do you hear me? Else. You already know.
Just get out of my way, you evil witch.
I've not seen anything yet. I'm coming in there.
Peace on this one.
Send me friend one. I be fair friend of my children. Never bought that. Let them see. Na many winnie. Abra. And you feel your come. A 100 years. I am then. Yes, I see. I'm away. That's when the baby are. Na bella, what you are traffic. Now so, if it be said second chance, first chance about when we soon for so, we have another second chance. We never go about that. Let them see. The amount you know, I mean, money. I said the Nkansah found me say. Told me in Yanko Danchi. Basically, you film immediately. Now, I'm going to tell you. Na moto mabra boso na esimi yi bani bia ne ho jaja be ye bia na mikusa me ne mo ye of course anya jaja bia la ya panyi bia la enya skeli bia la wonde sika wo bone ba wadele ba siye est-ce que faut pi marcher ti boko hubira tu koke tramo na mo nya jaja bia me ni wo mo se Mudaji Nkansah. I tell baby. Many papa, me. Oh man. Never do money. Please, when the penny.
For ready. And that's the power for this offer, but my person better be candia. And then I come out and son.
You want to travel? You want to travel?
Bella, let's hear you.
Okay. I think it's a good idea. Yes, and we want the best for us, so yeah, we would want to go and continue life there.
Perfect.
Right?
Perfect.
Because it's here, Jumana Yasha, you be overstanding. It's Manka, maybe I'm a person. I will have a crown for like a few more years. Bella can take the lead. Go to school and I do not start Juma. Should find out me soon. We know of a Juma Hakaka for a few more years now. Maybe I have vacation with the man. I can also go and come.
Prince.
Okay.
My dear, I sometimes don't get to this boy.
Oh, look at the Bonini.
Oh, seriously?
Oh, Bonini. What you say? For now, you said you boy. Tikabaya Bella Uncle.
Yes.
Now the problem was right as my watching.
Mira, one Mama Nkansah. I am surprised because were you not the same person who was so adamant in, pursuing your uncle's business in the north? So why the change of mind right now?
You come with you. What's okay?
Huh?
So,
something.
You hear me?
No, your uncle laid the groundwork for you overseeing his business interest in the north, but you refused to go. But right now you're saying the same thing.
I kind of boy
some time back.
Scam to it and then the young. I come to a video say, oh my God.
And you Bella too, you said you didn't want to go. Right now you want to go. So which is which?
Mommy, he's right. See, Going abroad is a very good idea, but staying here to support and help Daddy's business grow is the best.
You're not supposed to stay. I said that for me. I didn't say it for you. Why you?
Hey, Bella.
No.
What qualification do you have to oversee your father's business?
I'm surprised.
At the very least, Prince has a first degree, so you cannot compare yourself to him.
Yes, but I can also support him in a way.
You've done that. Beba. I make a confronting Nkansah. Who is a buffet and Vanessa? Huh? Sabo for some. Serusi says I'm a couple of visitors. No, we say, Mina, Marcus go messy for one. I'm muting one. Yes, easy. What can I say? That's a movie was easy, my dear. I didn't make it. I would say, what's your bunko? What's my call? What's your Manko? He said, what was that say? I didn't want you home.
We will both stay and help.
All right, I am stepping in right now. You are leaving to the UK. Prince is staying in Ghana to oversee his uncle's businesses. Period.
No.
What is wrong? Anamira.
Hey, I didn't know.
Just take the lead out.
Mono go free be Indiana. Masa say. Na, I didn't win. I did some. Over.
Daddy.
Do you want to incur your father's wrath again? Have you forgotten what he did to you some time back, Bella?
Stop changing your mouth.
Yes, indeed. But come and tell me what that. I come and tell you about yourself. I come and your girlfriend. I said, me can't be with that. Me more contusion to be with that. Aye, me no was it. Me no man musika. Ana ma woman me bua mo mpa. From ni nanuko. Mo so no kwa pacha pacha. Aye, it's okay. Mo so no problematic. What dey? Wo bi atra. Wo bi atra, mo so kwa.
You guys are so problematic.
Naga ni ma naga masawe. Maria,
you and who are so? What are you talking about?
I like Ambo.
You're talking about what?
What am I going? What?
Oh boy.
Manda boche, and I'm with you. Menko, who's he getting? Yato and never before cried to say me. Someone just said, Mimasa Bosso. Ah!
Stage I will do in life.
Oh, as you feel the man, you grow. As some person, a man, 18%. 80 Says you tell Munty, you're scanty. Danaba. No more Jimmy. What am I? Danaba. I didn't want no pam. Scanty go to be free. Can't pay you too. No, why are you look at?
Oh my dear, you are right in all your assertions, but there's a man grant so the right on which you say a deal of it. As our force money to be until no one
it's okay.
You leave it to me, I'll be talking to them periodically. Why?
Say my dear sir. My dear sir. Oh, the German and America. It's okay.
Why are you bringing your anger on me?
Please. Don't stress me, please.
My love. Mr. Bitiako. Sweetie.
Oh, with Adenchi.
Hello. Darling. Okay.
Am I you? Something. Well,
Peace all in this one.
You always go for the best. And welcome to so long.
I was checking on.
I said, there be a side. There be a chance here. There be a papa meba, and I made my name. Robin, deputy. Away. What is about? No, one is some comedy. We didn't know that was so.
And oh yeah, I'm checking.
I'm checking. Maybe I saw somebody. Oh, one name I call.
What is wrong with you? Why did you have to leave the table so abruptly? Huh?
I wasn't really hungry before it's night. I just want to wait a little. I'll eat a little later.
Friends, I know you. If you didn't feel for food, you would have told me beforehand. So why did you just leave the table so abruptly when Bella came to sit down?
Maybe it's a coincidence.
Don't tell me you guys are quarreling again. Huh?
No.
Do you people want me to die before my time? Why is there no peace between you two? What is the bone of contention now? What are you guys quarreling about? Has she disrespected you again?
No, Auntie, she hasn't. To be honest, I'm okay. You just go back and go and continue eating. I'll come and join you soon.
And you think I'll be able to eat?
Auntie, I'm coming, please. I want to go and use the washroom too, so.
Alright. I'm giving you some time to unwind. But bear it in mind that I'll still leave your dinner in the oven.
Yes, Auntie.
I have to see an empty plate by morning.
Yes, Auntie, I'll come.
Alright?
Yes, please.
So if the fare we are having is what you don't want, tell me. I'll get you something else.
That's not the case.
Hey, Bella. They better not go to the president. I'll buy a who will be also going.
There's nothing going on.
And I'm going to come up with the Fisa, oh my, would you come? What's that? See a pet? What's the matter? Huh?
There's nothing going on. Maybe, like he said, he's going to use the washroom.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe that's what's happening. Yeah.
Okay.
My dear.
What's it?
My call say, you money.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, come in.
Bella. Are you okay? Huh?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you've been indoors the whole day. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I just don't feel like stepping out. That's why I'm okay.
And you're not hungry too?
I don't feel like eating.
Bella. Is that not the sanitary pad I bought for you? Why? Did you not use it?
No, that's not it. I bought a new one. Yes.
Did your monthly flow come?
Yes, Mom, yes.
You sure?
Yeah, yes, I just chopped up.
No, let me have it. Let me have a look at it. That is the exact thing I gave you.
Mom, what are you saying?
Huh?
There are plenty of these. I just bought a new one.
You sure? Well, if you say so. I came to check up on you. So if you are good, I'm also good.
I'm fine.
Do you care for anything?
No.
It's past noon.
I'll be coming.
Eat something.
Yeah. I'll be coming out shortly. Fine. Stop.
Well, if you say so.
Get up and leave my room. Get out of my room. What are you doing here?
I have something to tell you.
So you can say it outside. Let's go outside and go and say it outside. What do you have to say?
Hey, calm down.
Are you up to do something? What's that? What's that?
What do you mean, what's that? Don't tell me you don't know what this is.
I don't know what it is. So if you're going to
have a look.
Start talking. What is that? What is it?
You understand? Take. Okay. If you don't know what this is, I'll educate you. This is a pregnancy kit. And I'm pregnant. For you.
You're what? What? You're pregnant? How? What? How are you pregnant? What are you talking about? Huh? I'm asking you a question. Talk to me. What do you mean you're pregnant? You're pregnant for who? What are you talking about?
What do you mean I'm pregnant for who?
Bella, what is wrong with you? Are you a witch or something? What is all this? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
I'm pregnant.
Why? What have I done to deserve this? Like, are you nuts? Is there something wrong with you? You're pregnant for me. How? Does this make sense to you? It's funny. Get out of my room. Get out of my room. Take your trash.
Hey!
Go. Get out of here with your nonsense. Go.
You see me buy any pa? You say come and see me buy money.
I'll be a if you are my phone back. Get out of here. Go. Go.
Not that.
Pregnant made somebody in front of the ring. I've been harboring your nonsense for a very long time. You're the cause of everything that is going on. Like, my downfall is because of you. I have no idea why you did what you did.
Why are you putting blames? Why are you putting blames? Instead of thinking of something else for us to...
Bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. Bring your voice down. No matter how I speak to your parents, you're never going to believe me. So I have to, like, think of what to do. So don't be coming at me.
So start thinking.
Don't be coming at me with... I'm thinking, allow me to think. Don't be coming up. How am I supposed to bring a solution if you just... When I go somewhere to think, and you come at me, where I go somewhere, what's the problem? Give me some time to process what's going on. Let me bring out a solution.
Time at this point. Time. Friends, you're talking about time at this point. Please. Or you want me to tell them?
I don't know what you want to
You want me to
tell
go
them
and
what?
tell...
What do you want to tell them? Why do you want to do this to me?
You've forgotten.
I've forgotten what?
Look here. Here.
want me to tell them everything, right?
You're so evil.
Don't joke with me. Come up with something good, please.
I'll think of something. Just give me time. I'm thinking. Just allow me. I'll think of another thing. If this one didn't work, I'll think of another plan. Just leave me to be.
Can we?
Can we what?
Let's go inside.
Go, I'm coming. Just take the lead. I'm coming. There's no need for us to go in together. Go. Your man is waiting for you, so go.
You're still the love of my life.
Peace Solomon's warning.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. What's up?
I want to talk to you.
So talk, I'm listening.
Not here. In my room.
I'm not going to your room, okay? So if you have something to say, start saying it.
Why are you always behaving like this?
Look, Bella, I'm not going to your room. If you say you have something to say it and then let me know what to do.
I'm always going to stand out and talk.
Look, say what you have to say and stop. You are getting on my... Say what you have to... Don't... Say what you have to say and go. What are you doing here?
I want us to have the conversation.
Say what you have...
We are planning something.
Planning what? Look, say what you have to say and get out of my sight. Don't... What should I say again? Say what you have to say and go.
Relax. Am I fighting you? No. I just want us to know the way forward with a plan. That's all. So let's go to my room and talk.
Look, don't get me... Go. Get out of... If you say what... You are getting on my nerves. Say what you have to say and go. Bella.
I want us to have this
I'm not going into your bedroom. So if you have something to say, start talking. Start talking. If not, just get out of my sight. I'm trying to think. Why is that every time I stand aside to think you can't...
What is wrong with you?
Go.
Do you even care about this whole situation?